welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be making a video on Amazon home finds under 2500. So without further ado, let's get started. So first of all, I have this bathroom shelf holder. As you can see, it comes with the adhesive wall sticker, which is then used to hold your shelf. So as you can see, it's so pretty, it's white in color, and here I'll be storing all my bathroom essentials, and I'm very excited to use it. Second of all, I have this cute duo toothbrush holder. So one for my bathroom and one for my sink. So as you can see, they're very cute and I'm quite excited to use it. Next, we have this very essential and useful find from Amazon. So these are basically called the kitchen hooks, where you can hang them around your kitchen cabinets and hang your kitchen essentials. So as you can see, it's going to be a very useful thing for me, and I'm also quite excited to use it. So guys, next of all, I have this plastic bag storage box, and I'm telling you guys, this is the best and the most useful find I've found on Amazon so far. And here you can store all your plastic bags here instead of throwing them away. And as you can see, it also comes with two plungers and a double-sided tab for installation. Very easy to install and very easy to use. So next, I have this utility tong. So I basically used to have a lot of bacons, and I actually needed one of these to flip my bacons, and it has arrived and I'm quite excited to use it. So next, I have this another multi-purpose wall holder shelf. So as you can see, it comes with adhesive wall sticker, and also it's a set of two, and it also comes with two bathroom soap holders. Next, I have the tiniest but another useful thing from Amazon. So these are called the mopping stand holder. Here it comes in a set of 4, and these are basically used to hold your mopping stick. Next, we have my favorite refrigerator cover set. Here we get the top cover and the handle cover as well, and also 3 sets of inside PVC mats for the refrigerator. So I got it in my favorite color, pink and purple, and I'm quite excited to use it for my fridge. And lastly, I have the most famous reviewed mirrors from Amazon, the hexagon mirrors, which comes in a set of 31 pieces along with some butterfly decors, and I'm quite excited to use it in my bathroom. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys like it.